Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by deciding your role. Are you a melee striker or a Kai attacker? Allocate points into two main stats immediately: for melee focus, basic attack and stamina; for Kai focus, Kai and Kai blast. Once done, take race bonuses and starter equipment into account because they change effective values. Make sure to leave a few points for HP to survive early fights. Don't waste time min-maxing a dozen small stats. Establish the primary pair and push them first so progress is consistent. Now concentrate on the middle game. Push your primary stat up toward its effective soft cap, then funnel remaining points into a secondary stat. This yields the best performance per point. Simultaneously, keep stamina and recovery stats at functional levels so you can combo, dodge, and super reliably. Once you gain new gear or skills, reassess immediately. Make small adjustments and then test in actual missions. If something feels weak, shift a few points rather than a full rebuild. Iterative tweaks beat large swings. Finish by sealing your build. Channel leftover points into survivability or boosted damage based on playstyle, and make sure you can survive boss windows. If things go wrong, use the game's stat reset option or a reset item to reallocate without panic. Once done, validate in a few representative fights. If problems persist, change only one stat at a time and retest, because testing single changes isolates cause and effect. This is faster than wholesale reworks and prevents repeated mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.